6 all day for now.
5, 6, 7.
7, that's fine.
My God.
How long, please?
4?
4 minutes. 3 minutes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, chef.
It's a little bit raw. It's quite raw. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, it's gone back to the kitchen, but they've obviously just flashed it, and it's raw in the middle.
Yeah.
The yes side is raw.
Oh. Okay, sorry, chef.
Right, one more on. It's got to be perfect, yeah?
Okay.
Are you all right, Laura? How are you feeling?
A little stressed.
Under pressure?
Totally
Yeah.
under pressure.
This is how a busy service goes, you know? You can't hide on service.
That's it.
Mike is also struggling with the volume of orders.
So you've got 6 coming and 4 just come on order, please. Yeah?
Yes, chef.
This one is no good, yeah?
Because it's crumbled or
Yeah,
because
it's crumbled, it's overcooked. So we actually need to get 5 on, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Unfortunately, we're having to redo 3, so if you could just apologise to our lovely guests. Woo!
I'm still loving it, to be fair. I think it is really full on.
The pressure is also getting to Alexina.
Some of these are getting a bit dark, yeah?
Yeah,
Probably bin
that one, take that one.
Yeah,
out.
bin that. OK, good. So 5 coming up, yeah?
That one looks like it's maybe a bit under.
No, I think that's fine. But it's beautiful, but we do need to be conscious of time, yeah? Consomme on, legs nicely glazed, hot vegetables, yeah? Keep the pace up, doing well. You've certainly nailed the cooking of the pigeon and the carving.
Thank you, chef.
Everything on there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Service, please.
Yeah.
Service is almost over. Laura's recooked the dish she had sent back.
Delicious. A lot better.
And is on her final orders.
Let's get the scallops up. OK. Now, they look beautiful, yeah?
Yep.
Nice sauce. I'm happy with that. OK, let's go. Let's get the garnish on.
Service!
You did well there. You got, you know, it's a lot. It's a lot to do. It's a lot of pressure. So I think you've done really well. Really happy.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Thanks so much. It's really intense when you're cooking. You feel like you could burst into tears, but I didn't. I just kept focused, so I loved it. It was really stressful, but I absolutely loved it.
Really nice, bouncy scallops. I'm absolutely loving the sauce. That's got real punch, real depth.
Cauliflower, roasted, also raw pickled, and then a puree is a first attempt. In this sort of environment, not bad. Not bad at all.
Make sure that last 3 is perfect, you know?
Yes, chef.
We're looking for that little crust.
Yeah, I've got it on these, chef.
Yeah, that's it. Very nice. Right, come on, let's get it garnished up. Let's rock and roll. OK, so be really careful with these, yeah? Beautifully caramelised, those. Call service, please, and all that.
Service.
OK, good, well done.
Thank you, chef.
The cod, beautiful, falling apart in nice, thick, slippery flakes. Mussels, absolutely perfect. Neither slimy nor bouncy.
There's lots of process going on here and lots of things that Mike would have learnt from it.
Come on, this is the final push.
It's now down to Alexina to finish service on a high.
Bravo. Nice and hot. Puree?
Yes.
Yeah. Come on, guys, let's go. Last 5. Well done.
Yeah. Service, please. Thank you.
Good. Well done, Alexina. Everything was consistent. Everything looked lovely. That was actually spot on. I was really, really impressed.
Thank you, chef.
The breast itself has been cooked beautifully, but the leg, for me, is the best bit. Inside is the flavour of good old-fashioned stuffing. They're fantastic.
Really good consomme, rich, nicely cooked cabbage. I'll tell you what, I'm impressed.